What's up, guys? This is Higgins with Legal Automations. I'm on a quest to try out every filament in every color, and on today's episode, we're taking a deep dive into SUNLU PETG in roasted chestnut. This one, I'm a fan of SUNLU. I like the fact that they do have reusable spools that you can reuse over this. A couple things I'm not a huge fan of is the fact that they're bags aren't mylar or anything like that, and they don't have the little tabs. So maybe that's something SUNLU can look into, something like that. Anyway, this one's roasted chestnut, which is a fine, deep, dark brown color, as you can see here. So as you know, here at Legal Automations, we always dry our filament for at least 6 hours. So I'm going to go ahead and get that into the dryer. And I will see you shortly for the next review for the benchy. Alright, so the benchy, as you know, here at Legal Automations, we always end up doing a generic benchy in the generic settings. This one should take a little under an hour. So we're going to go ahead and get that done, as well as the other test prints, and I'll show you the results here in a sec. Alright, so here is the full slate of test prints. As you can see here, we have the benchy, again printed in generic settings. No real major issues there with it. I'm gonna give it into frame here. Yep. So as you can see, it's a nice, that rich dark brown. No issues there on the settings. Nice little shine there. Nothing to write home about as to any issues there, which is kind of to be expected with SUNLU's filament. Maybe a couple of minor details to be worked out. Anyway, this is the dimensional cube. This is printed 40 by 40 by 40 in VOS mode. No real issues there. Not even any sort of VFAs or anything like that. So that's good to see for our printer. Next up, we have the temperature tower, and for this one, the best one was around 240. No globbing, no stringing there, nothing too major with that. So we're going to go ahead and have that in, and again, all these changes or anything like that I've made are in the description below. Anyway, this is the retraction test. No real issues there, no stringing, nothing like that between the two towers. Next up, we had the max volumetric speed test, and this one printed beautifully at 28 millimeters cubed per second. No real issues there. Next up, we had the overhang test, which I have apparently forgotten to actually put in, so that's my bad, but I don't remember any issues with that. So this is benchy, everything looks good, no real issues there. Next up, we have the full filament there. Everything looks good, no real issues over with that. So, and again, here's the benchy. I think I have like a difference between the brown and the black, just to give you a kind of sense of like the difference in color in case the thing didn't pick it up. Anyway, over at Amazon, you can pick this up for, at the time of filming, less than $18. I actually think it's cheaper a little bit now. I have the link in the description if you want to pick it up. I'm not affiliated or linked or anything. It's just that I think that this is a good kind of way to give back to the 3D printing community, so we can document all the colors and all the filaments and everything like that. Anyway, if you do like this type of content, be sure to like, comment, subscribe to my channel. This has been SUNLU's PETG in roasted chestnut, and I've been Higgins with Legal Automations. Be kind to each other, print everything, and I will hopefully see you at the next review. Thanks!